When using Pure Cut, the machining chips are handled in a cleaner, more efficient way compared to conventional coolants. While traditional coolants offer the convenience of flushing chips off machining surfaces, this often leaves them wet, reducing recyclability and destabilizing the coolant over time, which can lead to hazardous waste disposal challenges or other challenges in the wastewater treatment process. With Pure Cut, the chips don't come into contact with liquid, so they stay clean, dry, highly recyclable, and more valuable. Instead of sticking to the machine surfaces, the chips with Pure Cut typically just bounce off and fall directly into the machine tool hopper. If a few chips end up elsewhere, a quick air blow is all it takes to move them into the proper chip hopper location. Pure Cut simplifies chip management, enhances recycling, and eliminates waste concerns associated with conventional coolants, making it a smarter, greener solution for machining.